special tong araw na to. Pati ang panahon natin, very special, malamig at very relaxing. First things first, kaya tayo nandito lahat dahil 16th year anniversary ng Livestrong! Sigaw-sigaw tayo na, Happy Anniversary!
Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Thank you. You took time to come here, tapos sinamahan niyo kami sa anniversary namin. Actually, I would like to pasalamat ko yung Save the Children Philippines for helping organize this event. Si Miss Naida Pasyon, si Miss Vicky, si Miss Maria Rosales. Thank you very much for helping us set this up.
I would like to bring Livestrong a happy and prosperous 16th anniversary. Save the Children, hindi lang yan basta-basta nakipag-partner. Pinipili namin yung gusto namin kasama na pareho yung value namin with Livestrong. Ito nakita nyo, years of empowering. Ganon din yung gustong mangyari ng Save the Children sa mga communities where we work with. There is empowerment because you are protected, you have good health, and you have good education. So yun yung protection.
Alam nyo, isa sa core values ng Livestrong is social responsibility. Naniniwala kami, tama lang ang komunidad, dapat nagsasama-sama at nagtutulungan. Kaya this time, in our 16 years, ang bilis din when we started, gusto namin kasama namin kayo sa pag-celebrate namin. So, may hinanda kami munting programa at saka munting giveaways. Sana ma-enjoy po nyo lahat. Salamat po.
Happy 16th year anniversary, Livestrong Marketing! Congratulations, and I'm so proud to be part of this event. Mabuti ang inyong mga puso, so salamat sa pagsama niyo sa akin, and I'm wishing you all the best. God bless!
I'd like to congratulate Livestrong on its 16th anniversary. It's a company that has a great cause, both for beauty, health, and of course, for our partnership with children. Thank you very much, Livestrong.
Happy 16th anniversary, Livestrong!
Maraming salamat sa patuloy niyong suporta sa Save the Children. Happy anniversary!
I would like to thank everyone for joining us today. First of all, I would like to thank our Lord God for blessing us 16 years of empowering beauty with a purpose. And also, I would like to thank the Livestrong family. Kasi syempre, hindi namin kaya ni Sir Lance yan. With all of your support, nandito na tayo, 16 years din. And counting. Of course, kayo po lahat sa family ng Bangkulasi Elementary School. Thank you for allowing us to be a channel of your blessings. And also, Save the Children, Ma'am Nadia, and the rest of the team. It means so much to me to see all of you smiling and happy. That's the real purpose why we're doing this. We always wanted to make sure we provide practical beauty solutions from head to toe na abot kaya pang pamilya. Hindi kailangan mahal para gumanda. I would like to thank you everyone. Continue to pray kasi alam naman natin, family that prays together, stays together. Okay, God bless.